In this video, I'm going to show you how I take my horror game from this into this. So recently, while I was scrolling YouTube, I saw Thomas Brush posted that he is asking for some games to play. This motivates me to quickly create a 5-minute prototypes to submit to Thomas Brush and hopefully that he will play my game. There are some few things I changed in my game before I submit to Thomas Brush for him to play. The first thing I did was I add a main menu. I think it looks pretty good, and I added a story which tells the player that this is the second night of the game, which implies that this takes place halfway of the progress in the game. And I added some NPC characters that will talk to you and request you to do something for them. I made it from a software called Character Creator, which allows you to create characters easily. I also implemented an inventory system which you can swap out items from your inventory using the hotkeys. To make the game looks more cinematic, I added an intro sequence which the players wake up from his bed. This is easily achievable. Basically, this is just a blend of 3 Cine Machine virtual cameras, and I just adjusted its priority to move from one camera to another camera. Then I'll just simply enable the player's movement. A few months after I submit my game to Thomas Brush, he posted a video called I Play Your Games, Game Feedback and $500 Prize. I was excited to see him posting that video. After waiting for a long time, I quickly click on the video to see whether my game is selected. Surprisingly, my game was selected out of the 98 games which was submitted to Thomas Brush. After he played the game, he offered up some really good feedbacks. One of it which is that the art style is not cohesive enough. Some of the texture is high res and some of it is low res. So a suggestion that he offered is that I should get an asset to make everything looks retro and pixelated to make the art style cohesive. So I went to Unity Asset Store and did some digging, and I found an asset called Retro Look Pro. This is an amazing asset which allows for many customization. If you're making a bedroom style game or any kind of game that uses the camcorder or camera, this is an asset that you must buy immediately. Achieving the looks for this is just iteration. You just keep adjusting value until you get a look that you are satisfied and you're done. Honestly, I was super surprised at how well this turns out. I think I will go for this look for my game instead of the low-res, retro, pixelated look. Here are some of the settings that I use in my game to achieve this particular look. It gives a realistic but also creepy vibe, and I really like the look of it. For my next goal, I'll try to create a polished demo which I can use to promote and market to other YouTubers or streamers, and also join some festivals to increase my wish list. If you're interested to follow the development of the guest list, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a wish list on my Steam page. Thank you all, and I'll see you on the next one.